Introduction to Computer Ethics. Computer ethics refers to the application of moral principles regarding the use of computers and the internet, focusing on how technology impacts society and the individual behavior. So, there are three components of computer ethics. The first one is the moral principles. Computer ethics involves the combination of moral principles specific to the use of computers, assessing the ethical issues that appear from their use. So one example of this computer ethics issue is the issue of data privacy. So organizations collect vast amounts of personal data, and ethical concerns arise regarding how this data is stored, used, and shared. And for the second one is the data breaches and privacy concerns. It covers considerations around user behavior, privacy, and intellectual property rights. Um, One good example of the this data breaches and privacy concerns is the 2017 Equifax breach. This incident exposed the personal information of approximately 147 million people, including social security numbers, birth dates, and addresses. And for the ethical responsibilities, the field addresses the need for ethical use and guidelines surrounding technology, aiming to prevent violations of, aiming to prevent violations of moral values. So, ethical responsibilities in computer ethics focuses on establishing guidelines and standards to ensure technology is used properly. I mean, responsibly. The importance of computer ethics. Computer ethics play a crucial role in fostering a responsible and secure digital environment by protecting personal information and promoting fair practices. Computer ethics not only protects individual rights but also enhance societal trust in technology. The importance of computer ethics lies in its ability to establish a framework for responsible behavior in the digital realm. So there are two importance of computer ethics. The first one is the protection of privacy rights. This helps prevent unauthorized access and exploitation of sensitive information, contributing to a safer digital landscape. And for the second one is the promotion of integrity and trustworthiness. This commitment to ethical behavior not only enhances the credibility of individuals and organizations but also builds public trust in the technology community.
Computer ethics in the Philippines. The current state of computer ethics in the Philippines reflects the combination of legal frameworks, educational initiatives, ethical challenges. Ethical challenges. Cyber incidents such as cyberbullying, identity theft, and online harassment are prevalent, reflecting a broader societal struggle to align technological advancement with ethical standards. Uh, Affecting their mental health, underscoring for need for ethical online behavior. Legal framework. Philippine laws governing computer ethics include the Cybercrime Prevention Act, the Electronic Commerce Act, and the Data Privacy Act, which collectively aim to prevent cybercrime, enable electronic transaction, and protect personal data, highlighting the importance of protecting users' information. Educational initiatives. Educational institutions, particularly the Leyte Normal University, have been instrumental in raising awareness about computer ethics among students. Major computer ethics issues in the Philippines. The Philippines faces significant computer ethics issues that impact individual and society. The primary concerns revolve around privacy violation, cybercrime, and emerging challenges posed by artificial intelligence. Number 1. Privacy issues. Privacy remains a paramount issue in the Philippines digital landscape where individuals' personal data is often compromised. Number 2. Cybercrime. Cybercrime is a persistent ethical dilemma in the Philippines with various forms such as hacking, online scams, and cyberbullying prevalent in the digital space. For example, individuals lost significant money in online scams involving a fraud investment schemes promoted on social media. Number 3. Ethical implications of artificial intelligence. The rise of artificial intelligence presents new ethical challenge that the Philippines must address, particularly concerning privacy, bias, and accountability. For example, a recruitment AI tool faced criticism for showing bias against certain demographics, raising fairness and accountability concerns.
So the relevant laws and regulations. There are three significant pieces of legislation that stand out in this area. These are the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, the Data Privacy Act of 2012, and lastly the E-Commerce Act of 2000. Each of these laws address specific ethical concerns related to computer usage, aiming to create a safer digital environment for all users. So in the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, this act provides a comprehensive framework for the investigation, prosecution, and punishment of cyber-related offenses. In the Data Privacy Act of 2012, this law mandates that organizations implement reasonable and appropriate security measures to safeguard personal information from breach and misuse. And lastly, the E-Commerce Act of 2000. This act promotes the growth of e-commerce by providing clarity on the legality of online transactions and offering protection to consumers. The recommendations for promoting computer ethics in the Philippines. Promoting computer ethics in the Philippines requires a multifaceted approach involving education, legislation, community engagement, and collaboration among various stakeholders. We should integrate ethics, specifically computer ethics, into educational curricula. Educational institutions should prioritize the inclusion of computer ethics in their course offerings by fostering an understanding of ethical implications in technologies. Future professionals will be more equipped to navigate the ethical challenges in their careers. We should also establish clear ethical guidelines for AI or artificial intelligence. These guidelines should address issues like accountability, transparency, and the protection of vulnerable groups, thereby fostering responsible AI development and application in various sectors, especially in education. We should also promote community awareness initiatives. These initiatives can include workshops, seminars, and online resources focused on digital citizenship and responsible online behavior. And lastly, we should strengthen legal frameworks. Laws should be reviewed and updated to cover new technology applications comprehensively, particularly in AI and data privacy. So in conclusion, the significance of computer ethics in the Philippines is multifaceted, surrounding the promotion of moral values, the safeguarding of privacy, and the establishment of norms that guide responsible technologies. These ethical considerations are crucial in addressing the challenges posed by rapid technological advancements and internet crimes within the country. So in the essay question, what are the current challenges related to computer ethics in the Philippines? How can the legal framework, including the e-commerce law and the Cybercrime Prevention Act, contribute to addressing these challenges?